Hi friends, look here is our 3 components polyurethane rainbow flow casting machine. It's our experienced patented technology. And left side is our 5 components polyurethane rainbow flow casting machine. The rainbow flow casting technology can increase the productivity. Pure roller thick layer can be just in one pass. Normally, the raw chemical is MDI-based prepolymer. Our technology makes sure your polyurethane liquid material from the machine to gently from the machine to the hard and rigid steel comb surface smoothly. Briefly, the rainbow flow casting technology is not just a casting method, but an engineered solution for combine the quality control, PLC control, and versatility, allowing the polyurethane truly express itself in the more function. It's well done. Contact to us. Thank you.